Have you ever wondered what it takes to become an engineer in India? In a country where the wheels of progress are turning faster than ever, a career in engineering has never been more important or more rewarding. From skyscrapers to smartphones, engineers are at the heart of India's rapidly advancing technological landscape. This video aims to help you navigate the journey from high school to becoming a full-fledged engineer. Today, we unravel the steps to becoming an accomplished engineer in India. The journey to becoming an engineer starts in high school. This is where you lay the groundwork for your future career. It's essential to focus on STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. These subjects form the backbone of engineering and will serve as your guiding light throughout your journey. You see, engineering isn't just about understanding theories. It's about application, problem solving, creativity, and innovation. And these skills are honed during your high school years. Mathematics sharpens your problem solving skills. Science helps you understand the world around you. Technology introduces you to the tools you'll use as an engineer. And engineering classes, they provide a glimpse into your future profession. But it's not just about learning. It's about excelling, secure good grades, strive for excellence, and aim to get into a reputable university. This will open doors to greater opportunities and a brighter future. With a strong foundation in high school, you're ready for the next big step, the entrance exams. Entrance exams are the gateway to your engineering dreams. Indeed, they are the stepping stone towards realizing your aspirations of becoming an engineer. Among the most significant of these are the Joint Entrance Examination, or JEE, and the Birla Institute of Technology and Science Admission Test, fondly known as BITSAT. These exams are the ticket to some of the most prestigious engineering colleges in India. These exams, however, are not a cakewalk. They demand rigorous preparation, a solid understanding of science and mathematics, and an ability to apply these concepts in a problem-solving context. So how can you prepare for these critical exams? Firstly, a structured study plan is your best friend. Allocate dedicated study hours for each subject and stick to your schedule. Secondly, practice is key. Solve as many previous year's question papers as you can. This will not only help you understand the pattern of the questions but also improve your speed and accuracy. Don't forget to tap into the power of online resources. There are numerous platforms offering comprehensive study materials, mock tests, and even personal tutors. Use these to your advantage to solidify your understanding and to clear any doubts. Lastly, remember that consistency is crucial. Regular studies trump last-minute cramming any day. So maintain your momentum and don't lose heart if you find some topics challenging. Keep pushing forward. Once you've aced the entrance exams, the world of engineering education opens up to you. The journey may be tough, but remember, the view from the top is always worth it. Your engineering journey truly begins with your bachelor's degree. This is the point where you dive into the depths of engineering principles, theories, and applications. The 4-year course structure is meticulously designed to provide a comprehensive understanding of the engineering field. In the first year, you'll be introduced to fundamental engineering concepts across various disciplines. This provides a broad foundation, paving the way for more specialized study in the subsequent years. The second and third years are where you'll start to delve into your chosen specialization. This could be anything from civil to computer science, mechanical to electrical, or one of the many other engineering branches. The choice of your specialization is crucial as it will shape your future career path. In the fourth and final year, you'll undertake a capstone project. Here's where you apply all the knowledge and skills you've gained over the years to solve real-world engineering problems. This project not only tests your technical prowess, but also your project management and teamwork skills, preparing you for the professional world. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the cost. Engineering education in India, like any other professional course, requires a significant financial investment. A 4-year bachelor's degree at a government college could cost anywhere from 1 to 2 lakh rupees, depending on the institution and your chosen discipline. Private colleges, on the other hand, can range from 3 to 8 lakh rupees. Remember, these are average figures, and actual costs may vary. Despite the cost, the return on investment can be substantial. Engineering graduates are highly sought after in the job market, both domestically and internationally. And with the right skills and experience, they have the potential to earn lucrative salaries. It's important to remember that earning your bachelor's degree is not just about acquiring technical knowledge. It's about developing problem-solving skills, fostering innovation, and learning to work as part of a team. These are all essential attributes that will serve you well in your future career. Armed with a bachelor's degree, you stand at the threshold of the professional world. This degree is your ticket to a rewarding career in engineering, filled with opportunities for growth and innovation. Engineering is as much about practice as it is about theory. A pivotal part of your journey to become an engineer is gaining professional experience. Internships provide the perfect opportunity for this. They allow you to apply the theoretical knowledge you've amassed in a real-world setting. It's not just about understanding how things work, but about getting your hands dirty and making them work. Internships serve as a solid stepping stone into the professional world. They offer you a taste of what it's like to work as an engineer, expose you to industry practices, and help you develop essential soft skills like teamwork and communication. They might even open doors to job opportunities post your graduation, but the journey doesn't have to stop at a bachelor's degree. Depending on your career goals, you might consider further studies. A master's in technology or MTech allows you to specialize in a particular field of engineering, enhancing your expertise and potentially opening up advanced job roles. Alternatively, if you're drawn towards the management or business side of things, an MBA could be the right path. An MBA can equip you with the business acumen to take on leadership roles within the engineering industry or even start your own engineering firm. Remember, your path will be unique to your aspirations and interests, but regardless of the route you choose, with the right mix of education and experience, you're now ready to make your mark as an engineer. Becoming an engineer is a journey of dedication, perseverance, and continuous learning. We've journeyed through the key steps, starting from high school, acing the entrance exams, earning your bachelor's degree, and gaining professional experience or pursuing further studies. It's a path that requires effort and commitment, but remember, it's not about rushing to the destination. It's about growing, understanding, and shaping yourself during the journey. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming an engineer in India. Remember, the journey is as important as the destination. Good luck!